Greetings, friends. It's Denise again with Denise's Dancing Paintbrush. And today I'm working on a little Victorian house. I call this the Delaware Victorian house. And first I color it with my Tombow pens. After it's been downloaded from Etsy, put in details for fun, for laughs. This has got the cutest little bay window attached, and so I'm just coloring everything first, and then once it's all colored the way you like, you need to score the fold lines by making a dent with something blunt like a knitting needle or a dotting tool. Yes, and color all the roof and the chimney as well. I'm scoring. And cutting it out. I'm using regular Elmer's glue to glue it all together. There's also a little porch I had to color with, I had to cut out with an X-Acto blade. Glue the sides first and then the floor, and you're ready for the roof. Once the little main house is put together, you're ready to glue on all the little extras. There's a little chimney, my porch, and the porch roof. And now for the bay window. And the bay window has a conical roof that goes right on top and attaches to part of the main building roof as well. And there it is, in several different colors. This one I did in a cream color. And this one in kind of a grayscale. It's really a simple little house. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Do come again. Bye now.